It would have all of this information
It also
in there?
has an MOUs in there, yes.
Okay. But today, this is all we're looking at.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Interesting. And so what this shows is that there's really different players and different moving parts as far as these grants are concerned. Is that not right?
It does, but one thing I do want to highlight for you is that when we created, or when I co-wrote the grant, we had Fulton County Schools and Atlanta Public Schools as one of our sub-grant awardees, and to this day, Chief Applin has never received anything other than what he gave an MOU and expected money to be able to teach great to 4th and 5th graders, and has been waiting for 3 years to teach them gang reduction education and training, and has not received that money, never received anything saying he was no longer going to get that money, and the same with Fulton County Schools. So,
Senator Jones, are you suggesting that the junior DA money could be used for someone other than a student attending Atlanta Public School or
I think Attorney, you absolutely understand exactly what I'm suggesting. And
are you suggesting
that this is not everything that's part of that grant.
No, but I want to know.
This body today has not shown all of the different aspects of it. I'm not getting into the weeds of litigation.
Can you show me
I'm not getting into the weeds of litigation, and you know that.
For a student outside of Georgia?
You know exactly what I'm doing.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's why I want you to give me the document. We can enter that as an exhibit right now.
The other part of this that I want to ask is, from a litigation standpoint, how many other pieces of litigation are there or have been done? How many other pieces of litigation do you have?
Well, I can answer that. It's a motion that has been filed to dismiss the complaint on the ADA. We have to respond to that. But it's because of the Georgia Tort Claims Act, which intentional infliction of, libel, slander. We could have argued about that.
It's tough to get around.
But yeah, very.
Yeah.
And so what I told Ms. Timpson is, I said, hey, look, the substance of your claim is this whistleblower. You have that suit, and it's going forward. There's no dismissal. There's no arguments. We've been through that. So you need to make a choice as far as what you're going to. You can't sue Fonnie for everything. There's all kind of immunities out here, everything. So let's go have a very prestigious position, and I'm not placating you by saying that. I'm just saying if you do have something that says, hey, we could go to Florida and use money for a Florida student when the application on our website says public attending school must be Fulton County Atlanta Public School. If you have something that says something different, because I did an open records request for it, I couldn't get it.
Can I ask a question?
If you have it,
Let me
just
ask you a
give it to
question.
me.
What you're deciding right now about the Fulton County Schools, what program is that?
That is the junior DA program.
Oh, correct. Is that the federal program that I'm referencing?
Well, but Amanda knows the ins and out of that. But
Is that
I just
the
want to
federal
make
program?
sure.
Then why would you interject yourself if you don't know the ins
Well, I just
and
want to
outs?
make sure that you're given the right information. If you have this information, because you keep saying to us, hey, you did a link, and it goes all the way to Fulton County, and there's all kind of documents on the webpage about all these programs and how they're used. So I'm just asking you directly on this specific issue. Do you have something for me?
I have the documents that link.
Can we enter them in as exhibits?
She's provided them.
but
You say you have more.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Can I-
What's being used?
Let's hold on. Wait. First of all, are we not talking about two different programs when he talks about the JAB program and what I'm discussing?
Right, but I did.
Okay.
I thought you said JAG program,
I
but
did.
I did have one quick interjection on what you're saying. I understand that you have gone on Fulton County or the
Right.
LinkedIn or whatever it's called, but let's just say this. Does that not say that is from the DOJ? It says zero equipment. So if she spent $5, that's misappropriation.
Please understand something. I'm not here to discuss misappropriation. Y'all deal with that in litigation. What I'm here to discuss is that this committee is actually trying to do an investigation. What I'm here to try to show, and it's very simple, your attorney has to know what I'm actually showing here. I can guarantee people on this panel understand what I'm showing. And that is that we were presented today with this one page as though this is all that references that particular program. And I'm just showing that there are other things that reference the program. That's it. Y'all have litigation till your heads fall off. Have at it.
Right.
I'm not making an opinion about that one way or the other. But what is uncontrovertible is that there's more information than this. Now, no one can argue that. That was
Right.
presented today.
That
I'm not
was
saying that you
symbolic
tried to do
of
that.
just that-
I'm saying
yeah.
what was presented today.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is, from a paper standpoint, is there not more paper than this? That's